So, and that just gives you an idea of like how much content,
is
in there, because we have not stopped pumping content in there since the beginning. Learning is us for
Snapchat.
I hope I'm doing this right. On your next Q&A, would you explain how your Team Live Lean family plan works, membership, cost, etc. things?
Team Live Lean is basically where our inner circle people go and hang out. So we take care of them like our family. Every single month, we'll get a brand new 4-week workout program. Okay, so now I want to actually take you inside of Team Live Lean. So we have an app called Teachable that's available on iOS devices, but if you don't have that, you can also access it on Android, just going to the website. So you open it up and you'll see all your workout programs there that you've purchased from us in the past. Then you open up Team Live Lean and you see what we have here. We start with a gym fit test. So every month we put our members through a gym fit test or a home fit test to test your strength, your speed, all the different aspects of living lean. So here's the home one if you don't have access to a gym. So we have different tests that you measure, and then at the end of the month you measure it again to see how you've improved over the month. Now, as you can see, we have every single workout laid out in a calendar, and when you open up the calendar, you will also see day 1 through day 30 laid out. So day 1, here's like a workout, the Ultimate Warrior workout for home. You click on any of those thumbnails and it'll take you directly into the exercise demonstration from either myself or from Jessica. So there's never any questions about the workouts. And now here's the gym version. So again, every single workout that you get comes with a home and a gym version, along with exercise demos teaching you how to do every single move properly, safely, and most effectively to get the most out of the workout. So you can see we have 30 to 31 days of workouts. Also, when your off days are, your meal prep days, it's all laid out for you inside of the app. You also get access to the previous 12 months workout program. So it's not just the 30 days, the previous 12 months. There's a meal plan, new 7-day meal plan using the cooking recipe videos in Team Live Lean. Yep. And they get a grocery list every week of those meals. Okay, so let's talk about the meal plans here and the cooking videos and the grocery list. So I'll show you what we have here. So here's an example of a weekly meal plan. So we have every single day laid out with the meals of the day. And all you have to do is essentially click on one of the meals. It'll take you to the recipe. You click on the recipe thumbnail, it'll take you into the cooking video recipe, step-by-step video. And it's basically every single question that you have about your nutrition for that week is done. We also have a grocery list, a full grocery list for the week. So you don't even have to think. You just have it on your phone. You go to the grocery store and you'll get it done. And you don't just get the meal plans with recipes. If you don't like some of those recipes in the meal plans, we give you access to all of our recipes as well. So you basically click, open up any of those recipe books. Here's one snacks recipe book. You click on the table of contents. You go to the recipe. Again, you click on the thumbnail and it'll take you into the step-by-step cooking recipe video. Simple. And in addition to all of that nutrition stuff, you also get access to our meal planning software where you basically go in, you can plan out how many meals you have a day, your daily calorie goals, and we tell you how many calories you personally should be having based on a calculator. You can lay out your macro ratios for your meal plan, and it's all going to pre-populate your targets of how much protein a day you need, how many carbs a day you need, how much fats you need. You can put your water goals in there as well, and then once you do all that, you go over and you build out your meal plan if you want to go this route. So you basically select a food from the drop-down box, you enter the food weight, it'll pre-populate how much protein, how many carbs, how many fats, the calories. You keep filling out, pre-populating that. This is optional. You don't have to do this because we already did the meal plans. But if you really want to dial in your nutrition specifically to your macros and your calories, use this meal planner software, and you can add foods to it as you see here. And this is the best way to track your calories. There's a community section in there where they can post questions.
And then, also engaging in conversations, like helping them get to their goals, answering any of their supplement questions or nutrition questions. workout questions, all of that stuff. So it's really like a community of resources first and foremost, but then also of supports and encouragement and all of that. So.
And we also do weekly group coaching calls, live coaching calls with the entire group, so you guys have access to us. We give you access to us for however long it takes. You can ask every single question live, and we can answer it for you in a group setting. That is another huge benefit to joining the team. And the last thing I want to mention is when you are a Team Live Lean member, you get exclusive bonuses to 20% off future Live Lean programs. So any future program that we offer that's not a part of Team Live Lean, you get 20% discount code that nobody else has access to. So it's basically, we do all the work for you guys, and we're like, on a platter, here you go. It's now your time to put it to work. It's probably like our best program where we give the most value for the least amount of money.
It is like a ridiculous amount of value for what you pay.
Okay, so if you have any other questions, we have a frequently asked section on our sales page. So if you go to teamlivelean.com, you can check that out. And we answer hopefully everything that you have, or you can just leave comments below with questions. And from pricing standpoint, we have 3 different pricing standpoints. We have a monthly plan, which is $19 a month, and that's recurring. So you'll pay that $19 every single month, which is cheap compared to what you get versus our standalone one-time programs. We have a yearly payment plan, which is the most popular, where people will pay $15 a month, which equals out to be about $179 a year, but you're actually saving over 20% by doing it this way versus the monthly program or the monthly payment plan. And finally, we actually have an all-access plan, which is $77 a month, which gives you access to every single program, recipe book, everything that we have offered on our site. So that includes, Formula for Women, Formula X, Build a Butt, Live Lean Afterburn, all of our one-off programs that you see on the screen right now, you'll get with that all access plan. So that's a $77 a month on top of all the programs you get within Team Live Lean. So it's like basically we give you every single thing that we have to offer. And of course, with the monthly plans, you can cancel anytime and you're not locked in for anything. You simply, there's a way you can cancel it on the website, or you can just email us and we'll help you out. We also get a question of, should I join Team Live Lean or should I do one of your other one-off programs? Typically what we do recommend people do is we start them off with one of our one-off programs. So we recommend people go take the Live Lean Body Quiz, and it's liveleantv.com/quiz. Find the best program for you based on your goals, your fitness level, your access to equipment, and your gender. Once you get through that program, then we will shift you into a Team Live Lean membership where you get ongoing programs to maintain or to continue to build muscle or to continue to lose weight. So you always have a program to follow. Following a program is going to get you to your goals way faster than just trying to do it on your own without a plan. 2012 we started.
When, really?
Yep.
Wow.
Started 2013 was the first day.
Wow. So, and that just gives you an idea of like how much content,
is
in there, because we have not stopped pumping content in there since the beginning.
That's teamlivelean.com if you guys haven't checked it out yet. And if you are a member of Team Live Lean, put some comments down below. Let us know what you guys think of it. So hopefully that clears everything up here. Thank you guys for watching, and keep living lean. We hope to see you join the team. Okay, here's the question of the day. Is there any other value that we could provide to entice you to join Team Live Lean? Let us know in the comment section below. All right, if you're interested in seeing what the style of workouts are like on Team Live Lean, we actually shared one here on YouTube. You can go over here and watch one that Jessica put together. It's a fat shredder workout.